Alright guys, we got a quick video. Do it real quick. Kind of hard holding the camera and recording what I want to do, so I kind of have to put things either together or take it apart, then get a video of it. So what we got here, let's see, I can't see. We got CV axle just replaced. I'm in the process of installing it now. I have to pull on it to push it all the way, make sure it's stowed all the way. Just did my sway bar as well. So sway bar is not that hard. You gotta just make sure you got your car make sure you got your car jacked up. Make sure you got it jacked up. You gotta have put a jack underneath this, underneath the mount, the subframe. Loosen these bolts up. Both of these bolts, there's one on this side and there's one on the opposite side. This one and the other one over there. So loosen both of these up. Put the jack in the middle of the subframe. Lower it down slowly. You have to take the other wheel off also. And then you lower it down just enough just to slide that sway bar out. So that's not that hard of a job. This, you have to make sure you take these two off right here. So take these out. This drops down, and then you use a puller, a tool, and then you pull it out, and then you replace it, and you just gotta make sure it's all the way in there when you're done. So just a little quick video. Nothing. Once I get a better camera, I can maybe set it up and actually go through the process of doing the whole job. So, but this is just a quick little video. Any questions that you have, just put them in the comment section and I'll answer you, give you some help or whatever the case might be. So size of the sockets, 21 millimeter. Socket. And this is 1 3/8. So there's some bullshit I picked up from Advanced Auto, but that goes 1 3/8, 21 millimeter. All right, so